Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the place where we dig deep and expose the truth behind trending online products and stores. Today, we're reviewing a popular fashion item making rounds online, the Jennibag. Is it a trendy must-have or just another scam in disguise? Let's break it down. So, what exactly is Jennibag? It's being advertised as a chic, high-quality handbag that blends fashion and function. You've probably seen it on social media or random online ads claiming it's made with premium materials, has multiple compartments, and is perfect for daily use or special outings. But here's the catch. Do these claims hold up in reality? Many buyers have shared their experiences, and opinions are pretty mixed. While a few say the bag looks okay, the majority of real buyers are not impressed. Common complaints include poor stitching quality, cheap materials despite the premium claim, delayed or no delivery at all, no customer support or return option. One user even said, "It looked good in photos, but felt like a plastic toy when it arrived." That's definitely a red flag. Let's talk about where Jennibag is being sold. In most cases, it's not a well-known brand site, but rather new or suspicious-looking e-commerce websites with limited contact info and no verified reviews. Some don't even have a proper return policy. There's also no transparency about who owns the website or where it operates from. This raises serious concerns about credibility and trustworthiness. So, is Jennibag worth your money? If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and trustworthy bag, this is not it. There are better and safer options from established brands that offer quality, warranty, and real customer service. Jennibag seems more like a classic example of style over substance, and possibly a scam setup to trap impulsive shoppers. Our advice: skip it. Don't get fooled by the hype. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor. We're here to help you shop smart and stay safe online. Got a suspicious product you want us to review? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay alert, stay scam-free. Thank you.